What settings do you have in the Trackdesk platform? You can change the name of your workspace at any time. You can upload a logo, customize your favicon. The system time zone can be changed to your liking. Let's go to Affiliate Settings. You can limit access of affiliates to the system. Edit, add, or remove any payment method. Are you going to pay your affiliates by bank transfer or using PayPal? You can fully customize this. Enter billing details that your affiliates will see and use for invoicing you. Now, some basic affiliate program settings. Here, you can set up basic goals of your affiliate program, so-called conversion types. Delete some predefined types, or add new ones that are actual for your business. Let's set up some affiliate tiers. Define how are you going to pay each affiliate tier. You can delete the tier or add a new tier with the desired payout at any time. How much are you going to pay your affiliates? All controlled from one place. You can group your offer or products with the use of tags. Let's add some names and also a color to make this tag stand out. No affiliate program would be complete without proper terms and conditions in place. You can use templates prepared by our legal team or just edit the terms to your liking.